Dear children, today I will teach you lesson first, the rise of nationalism in Europe. Syllabus key topics, the French Revolution and the idea of the nation, the making of nationalism in Europe, the age of revolution, the making of Germany and Italy, unification of Italy, visualizing the nation, nationalism and imperialism. Overview, dream of liberty. Idea of liberty portrayed. The idea of liberty has ever been in the mind of human being. However, it was in 1848 the Frédéric Chariot, the French artist, prepared a series of 4 prints. He visualized his dream of a world made up of democratic and social republic. In the given picture, Frédéric Chariot has depicted the peoples of Europe and America, men and women of all ages and social classes, marching in a long trail and offering homage to the Statue of Liberty as they pass by it. Liberty personified. The artist of the time of the French Revolution personified liberty as a female figure. She is wearing torch of enlightenment in one hand and the character of the rights of the man in the other one. In foreground of the image lie the shattered remains of the symbols of absolutist institutions. Utopian vision. In Chariot's utopian vision, the peoples of the world are grouped as distinct nations identified through their flag and national custom. Leading the procession way past the Statue of Liberty are the United States and Switzerland, which by this time were already nation states. France, identifiable by the revolutionary tricolor, has reached the statue, followed by the peoples of Germany. Wearing the black and red and gold flag. At the time when Chariot created this image, the German peoples had not yet existed as a united nation. The flag they carry is an expression of liberal hopes of unifying the numerous German-speaking principalities into a nation-state under a democratic construction. Following the German peoples are the peoples of Austria, the king of the two Sicilies, Lombardy, Poland, England, Ireland, Hungary, and Russia. Fraternity. From the heavens above, the Christ saints and angels are looking upon the scene with the eagerness. They have been used by the artist to symbolize fraternity among the nations of the world. Nestle. During the 19th century, Nestle emerged as a force which brought about massive change in the political and mental world of Europe. It led eagerness of the nation state in the place of the multinational domestic empires of Europe. Nation state. A nation state was one in which the majority of its citizens, including its rulers, come to develop a sense of common identity and share history or descent. This commonness was achieved through struggle, through the action of leaders and common people. Rise of nationalism in Europe, in हिंदी, यूरोप में राष्ट्रवाद का उदय। इसमें फ्रांस की क्रांति और राष्ट्र के आदर्श के बारे में बताया जाएगा। द मेकिंग ऑफ नेशनलिज्म इन यूरोप, कैसे राष्ट्रवाद यूरोप में बना। द एज ऑफ रिवोल्यूशन, क्रांति का समय 1830 टू 1848। द मेकिंग ऑफ जर्मनी, जर्मनी कैसे बना। एंड द इटली, जर्मनी और इटली कैसे देश बने, उनका कैसे एकीकरण हुआ। यूनिफिकेशन ऑफ इटली। विजुलाइजिंग नेशन एंड नेशनलिज्म एंड इम्पीरियलिज्म, राष्ट्रवाद और साम्राज्यवाद का कैसे विकास हुआ, इस पाठ में हम आगे पढ़ाएंगे, जिसमें आपको स्वतंत्रता, समानता और विश्व बंधुत्व पर आधारित भावना होगी। नेक्स्ट डे, थैंक्स।